One of the fundamental benefits of a CRM system is the ability to turn data into information. For the purposes of this video, we will assume the role of a salesperson who has closed a deal in excess of £50,000. In this example scenario, that represents a high-value deal. This video will illustrate that by using a combination of business rules and workflow, even minimal effort by the salesperson will ensure data capture quality, automatic client profiling, and improve team communications. Before we assume the role of that salesperson and complete our opportunity, let's just take a note of two things on the client record that we'll be using. First of all, we can see that the salesperson has already created an opportunity called Network and Infrastructure Upgrade, and secondly, that the client rating is blank. Okay, so let's go ahead and work with our opportunity. So the first thing we need to do is navigate to the opportunity, and we do that by simply using our drop-down list here and selecting opportunities. And the opportunity that we wish to work with is, of course, the network and infrastructure upgrade that we just looked at. Once we're in the opportunity, we can see that it currently has a blank deal classification, and that happens to be a drop-down list in this example scenario of low, medium, and high. What we're now going to do is close the deal. We simply select Close as 1. We can change the actual revenue if we need to. We can change the close date. We're simply going to click OK. As you can now see, the deal classification has automatically been updated to high. Now this may well, for example, facilitate improved management reporting because that is, of course, a field that can be reported on. What we're now going to do is navigate back to the client record. Two things have happened. First of all, the Post tab on our social pane has been updated to say that a high-value deal has been closed. The opportunity was Network and Infrastructure Upgrade, the deal value was £52,000, and we've automated a congratulatory message to the salesperson that closed the deal. Furthermore, we can also see that the Concise CRM record, the example client in this case, has now been given a client rating of gold. This is because in our business processes, we have defined that any deal that closes in excess of that value will automatically update the client rating to gold. So, all that now remains to be seen is how that information is communicated to the rest of the team, beyond those looking at this record. Well, if we quite simply go back to our sales menu and choose Dashboards, the Sales Activity Social dashboard will automatically display that information to all users. So here we can see, without needing to go to the client record, an automatic and proactive notification that a high-value deal was closed, congratulations to the salesperson, and that the client rating has been updated to gold. So in summary, all our salesperson had to do was complete an opportunity as one. As a consequence of that, the opportunity itself was automatically updated as a high-value deal, facilitating, for example, better management reporting. The client record itself was automatically upgraded to gold client status based on a pre-configured business rule, and the entire team were notified of this success via the social pane on a dashboard.